You know what's worse than a brand new salesperson who doesn't know what they're doing? A veteran salesperson who still thinks they do. Experience does not mean anything if you haven't evolved. And in today's world, the salespeople who refuse to change get left behind. My name is Adnan, and I've been in sales for nearly 25 years. I'm not just still in the game, I'm at the top of it. Right now, I'm the highest producing volume rep for nearly a decade straight at one of the oldest and most respected home improvement companies in the country. And today, I want to talk about something that most people in this business won't admit. Why most experienced salespeople can't sell anymore. Now, there was a time when being likable, making a few jokes, and having a good personality could carry you across the finish line. That era is gone. Today, sales is not about being charming, it's about evolution. We're living in a different world. During COVID, a lot changed. People weren't just home. They were watching YouTube, they were learning, they were studying every industry, including ours. And now when you walk into a home trying to be that friendly guy, the customer already knows the playbook. They've seen it, they've read the reviews, they've watched the videos, they know exactly why you're being nice. They can see right through that you're doing that because you want the business. Now, don't get me wrong, being a kind human being will never go out of style. But what's changed is the timing. Being nice has to come from a place of authenticity, not strategy. You can't lead with personality and hope your product knowledge catches up later. It's reversed. You better walk in like a professional, dialed in, knowledgeable, complete, and then let your personality show naturally as the trust builds. Reason why I still do well in this game is not because I'm good. It's because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with providing a great experience from the first knock on the door to the final signature. That obsession still makes me feel nervous, even after lifelong experience before I meet every prospect. That obsession is why I'll never be satisfied with how I perform, because I know I can always be better. Seniority is one of the most dangerous things that happens in this profession. It gives you a false sense of security. It makes you feel like you've earned the right to earn more or get better opportunities or resist change. And if that's the mindset you have, that's the beginning of the end. You can't coast on past greatness. This industry does not care what you did 5 years ago. Buyers don't care how many awards you won. This isn't a job where you deserve anything. This is a performance sport, and you're only as good as your last pitch. Now, going back to my mindset that I'm not that good, I'm not trying to put myself down. Instead, I'm trying to elevate myself to my highest potential. And that mindset is what keeps me hungry, sharp, and on point. I wake up every day knowing I need to outwork, out-prepare, out-deliver the version of me that showed up yesterday. Reaching the top status is one thing, but staying at the top is a whole different skill set. And the only way you stay there is to obsessively improve your wins like they were losses. Tear apart your victories. Analyze them, refine them, be surgical with your process. That's what it takes. If you really want to perform at a high level, stop chasing results. Fall in love with the process. Shed your past just like a snake sheds its skin every year. Let go of your ego. Let go of your pride. Let go of who you used to be. You have to humble yourself before this game humbles you. You need to welcome change, not just tolerate it, but invite it. Growth is not a suggestion in this business. Instead, it is how we survive. And be careful not to talk about the good old days. The good old days are gone and they're not coming back. Be grateful for them, sure. Be thankful that they taught you something, but don't ever miss them. Don't get stuck staring in the rearview mirror while the whole industry passes you by. You see, thankfulness is a superpower. When you're thankful for everything, the losses, the challenges, the uncomfortable shifts, you stay young. You don't want to resist the very changes that are trying to evolve you. Stay coachable and be thankful. Stay coachable and be thankful that you're in a job where you have an opportunity that keeps your mind young. Aging is inevitable. Your body changes every day. But don't lose your mind by being stuck in the past. Because in sales, there's no such thing as a veteran. There's only today and what you're willing to do or what you're willing to become next. It's never too late. Pick yourself up if you've fallen and keep moving forward. Anyone can be good if they're willing to accept change. If this video helped you in some way, please do me a favor. Please hit that like and subscribe button below so you get notified for content like this in the future. Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. Remember, if you write something somewhere, it may just come to fruition. So put your thoughts and your goals down in the comment section below, and I'll personally respond to each and every one of you. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.